It is Tuesday, August 29th, and I'm back. We got home last evening and had such a nice time with my sister and brother-in-law. Really had fun. It was great. It was really hot when we first got up there, St. Paul, Minnesota. It was 99 degrees. It was really hot. And then the front came through and it was gorgeous, just like it's supposed to be. You know, cool at night, 80s in the day, sun shining, breeze, absolutely delightful. Windows open, all that good stuff. It was really fun. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Short week this week because it's Labor Day weekend and we're scooting out of here, I think, on Friday. So, I won't be back till next Tuesday. We will be closed on Labor Day, FYI. If anybody locally wants to know, we will be closed on Labor Day. While I was gone, the no-knit bags that I ordered came in. These are the no-knit, go-knit pouches. And let me just tell you, this is my favorite project bag. My favorite. It's like ripstop nylon. They're deep and big. They're very simple, no pockets. However, they have this snap on the inside and you can run this little loop and you can unsnap it and you can run your yarn through that so it stays coming through that space. Or what I have done is the outside unsnaps, and like on the airplane, I'll run this around the armrest next to me and then it can just hang and it's not going to drop on the floor. Love it. It's big enough for your notion bag and your project and your pattern and all your other good stuff. So it's just a ripstop, squeeze, and pinch. So easy. Love, love, love it. $33.95 for the pouches. This is the medium pouch. I didn't get the small ones because the smalls are more like just a pair of socks. So anyway, medium pouch, and the pouches are $33.95. So I have the blue, plus they have great colors. I have the red, so call me and tell me which one you want. I have the red, I have the yellow. I think I have one in every color. I'm not sure. We've carried them for a long, long time, and then we didn't have them for a while. So there's the yellow. There's the lime green. Love the lime green. There's orange. Love the orange. There's orchid. Gotta have one in orchid. Then there is turquoise or teal, like that one. And then there's a few special ones. They call them special. There's this patterned, it's kind of looking very sophisticated. This red and the burgundy, and then the gray, which is very nice. Same bag, same design, same everything. And last but not least, the camo bag. We live very close to Fort Bragg and have lots of military clients. So it's kind of fun to have a camo bag. So there you go. Now, when I went to buy these bags, I realized they had started making a zipper pouch. So this is zippered, gusseted on the bottom, longer and skinnier, nice zipper on the top. They're a little more expensive, but you're paying for the zipper. Still a nice size, not quite as deep and big as the other one. This one is $34.95. So the zipper pouch. So I had to get these because these are great too. I love a zipper. So there's yellow. They all have an orange zipper, I think. There's lime green. There's aqua. There's hot pink. What? There's orchid. There's royal blue. And there is orange. All right, call me if you want one of these. I'm telling you, they're the best. Love, love, love them. All right, I think I've caught you up to date. Woo, we just had a gully washer come through here and the street flooded and it finally stopped and the street's not flooded and the sun's out. What's up with that? Crazy. All right, I will see you tomorrow. It'll be Wednesday. It'll be social knitting night. All kinds of stuff going on there. Stop by and see us. We've gotten in some new yarns, some other stuff. It's getting to be fall. It's all good. All right. I will see you tomorrow.